What if I told you that wildfire smoke can influence which plants grow back after a fire? With wildfires becoming more frequent across British Columbia, we often focus on what's lost. But what about what comes next? My research analyzes a lesser-known piece of wildfires, which are Karrikins. These are smoke-derived plant hormones produced during wildfires that can stimulate seeds to germinate and influence early plant growth. But here's the key question. Do these chemical signals benefit native plant species or invasive ones? To explore this, I've been conducting this research in the Berry Lab under the supervision of Lauren Erland. I studied 3 species from the BC park, Skaha Bluffs Provincial Park. I studied 2 invasive species from the region, which were sulfur cinquefoil and cheatgrass, and 1 native species, which was blue bunch wheatgrass. I exposed their seeds to 5 different Karrikin species under different concentrations and under controlled conditions, and have monitored how they responded. While this is still ongoing work, my early data suggests that the invasive species are germinating more quickly in response to these smoke-derived compounds compared to the native species. This difference in timing is really important because even small advantages in germination can determine which species establish and dominate first. Understanding these differences is critical for predicting how plant communities will recover after a fire. This means wildfires may be doing more than reshaping landscapes. They may be quietly shifting competition in favor of invasive plant species. If invasive species establish faster after a fire, they can outcompete native species during those critical early stages of recovery. This has direct implications for restoration. It suggests that we may need to be more proactive in post-fire management to prevent invasive species from taking over ecosystems in BC parks. I hope this work encourages you to think about wildfires not just as an event, but as a process with long-term ecological impacts, and how understanding these processes can better help us protect and restore ecosystems in British Columbia. Thank you.